Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will share how you can create a stunning infographic using AI. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Head over to pick2chart.com. Pick2chart is an online infographic application that allows users to create professional-grade infographics using theme templates. Sign up to this site. Once you're here, click on Infographics. You can choose between the available templates, or you can click on Generate AI Infographic. Type in your topic. If you don't like the design, then you can select the one from the available designs. Let's say you want to change the text and image. You can easily do that by clicking on Edit this infographic. Click on the text you want to change and start typing. To change the image, go to My Uploads and upload your image. Now you can drag and drop to replace the image. Once you are happy with it, you can click on the download button to save it on your computer system. Also, if you want to use it on your website, you can click on Share and enable Public on Web. You can copy this code and use this on your website. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.